Hey there, my name is Alexander Matthews. I'm a technical sales solution specialist for Toon Boom Animation. And in this video, I'm going to show you about rigging in Toon Boom Harmony 22. Now, rigging is a pre-production process, usually handled before animation begins. And with this, the rigger will take a character design and break it down into individual pieces and apply pivot points to those pieces so that the animator can actually articulate the character into the different poses that he or she will need to create the animation. So I'll start off by grabbing a rig from a library and dropping it into my camera view. Here we see our little character Sly. If I zoom in, I can use my transform tool to select different parts of my character. I can rotate these. I can even detach them from the character altogether. And a rig is made up of a hierarchy. So what that means is that different pieces of your character are connected to each other through something that's similar to a family tree. So the hand will be a child of the forearm, and the forearm and hand will be a child of the upper arm. So you can see this. If I click this hand here, I move up my hierarchy using B on my keyboard. You can see that with this parent peg, I'm moving the entire arm. I can come down to my lower arm and articulate this, and come down again to my hand to change that. So that's basically what the animator will do to create the different poses for their animation. Now I'll jump into my node view here. So by using the node view, you can actually see all of the different elements of your scene as nodes. And you can affect these nodes in a non-linear fashion to create your rig, for example, or to do compositing. But for now, let's have a look at how this rig is built. I spoke about hierarchy. So if we look at the head here, you can see the different pegs that have been added. And right here, you can see all of the different drawings. This right here is your basic hierarchy, where these pegs are connected to the one above it. So this one would be considered the parent of all of the pegs and drawings that exist below it. The node view can be quite intimidating at first, but I promise you, once you get used to it, it's very, very handy to use when working within your scenes or working within your rigging group. So there are some other tools which can be applied to a rig during the rigging stage, which will help your animator when it comes to cutout animation. If I select this little tuft of hair, I can click this button, show selected deformers. And this will show the curve deformer that has been applied to this little tuft of hair. Using the deformer, I can easily change the look or orientation of my drawing so that I can have, different types of waves when it comes to hair animation. And another type of deformer is found on the head here, which is an envelope deformer. Using this, I can again easily change the shape of the head using the different nodes and Bezier handles. So next up, I'm going to show you another tool that can be applied to your rig to help your animators with their animation, and these are known as master controllers. To view my master controllers, I can select my rig group and click on the Show Master Controllers button. This will give me a list, or show me a list of the different master controllers I have available to me. I will start with the Blink Master Controller. I select it and hit OK. And now you see a slider on screen. Using this slider, I can actually see the blink cycle that was created for this master controller. Now, it's important to know that the master controller does not actually create the blinks for you. What's happening is the master controller is referencing drawing substitution information that was applied to it beforehand. So with drawing substitutions, I can select a drawing and go on my Drawing Substitutions tab. And here I can see all of the different drawings that I have available to me for that particular drawing. It's much like how you would have those flip books, and each of your drawings acts as a flip book, basically. So you can easily cycle through the different pages of that book to see the different drawings that you have available to you. Now let's have a look at the other master controller. So select my character rig again, click my Show Master Controllers button, uncheck my blink, and turn on my Turn Master Controller. Using this, I can actually rotate through the different angles or views of my character. Again, this is not something that the master controller is doing for you. It has to be set up that way. So the rigger will have posed the character in the different views and applied those views to the master controllers beforehand so that the animator can then use the slider to select the different view that he wants to use. So what I just showed you was a basic character rig. There are many different types of complexities of rigs that you can create using the different tools that I showed you: master controllers, deformers, drawing substitutions, etc. But that's basically all that I have to show you for rigging. So thanks for joining me. Again, my name is Alexander Matthews, and if you have any questions, please visit www.toonboom.com. See you later.